Welcome, YouTube viewers, to a game-changing video that will make your brand soar above the competition in the dynamic financial world. Today, I'm going to share with you powerful strategies to make your brand stand out and leave a lasting impression. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your brand's unique voice. In a sea of financial brands, finding your unique voice is crucial to stand out. Your brand should have a distinct personality and tone that resonates with your target audience. Ask yourself, what sets your brand apart? Are you innovative, trustworthy, or approachable? Craft your brand's voice accordingly, and let it shine through in all your communications. Step 2. Deliver value through thought leadership. To truly make your brand stand out, you need to position yourself as a thought leader in the financial world. Become a trusted source of valuable insights and knowledge. Share your expertise through blog posts, videos, podcasts, or speaking engagements. Provide actionable advice, industry trends, and unique perspectives. By delivering value, you'll establish your brand as an authority. Step 3. Engage and connect with your audience. In the digital age, engagement and connection are paramount to stand out. Foster meaningful relationships with your audience to create brand loyalty. Respond to comments, provide helpful responses, and listen to feedback. Build a community where your audience feels heard and valued. Remember, a strong connection translates into a lasting impact. There you have it, my friends. By defining your brand's unique voice, delivering value through thought leadership, and engaging with your audience, you'll rise above the crowd and become an unforgettable presence in the financial world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below, sharing how you plan to make your brand shine in the financial realm. Together, let's conquer the financial world and leave our mark. Until next time.